Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to register for the AliExpress affiliate program. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or just looking to monetize your online presence, becoming an AliExpress affiliate can be a great opportunity to earn commissions by promoting products you love. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of signing up for the AliExpress affiliate program, from creating an account to accessing your affiliate dashboard. Visit the AliExpress affiliate program website. Link in description. Create an account. If you don't already have an AliExpress account, you'll need to create one. This usually involves providing your email address and setting up a password. Complete the registration form. Once logged in or after creating your account, you'll need to fill out the registration form. This form typically asks for basic information such as your name, website URL, or social media. Submit your application. After completing the registration form and agreeing to the terms, submit your application. Wait for approval. AliExpress will review your application, which may take some time. They'll typically notify you via email once your application has been approved. Access your affiliate dashboard. Upon approval, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, where you can generate affiliate links, track your earnings, and access marketing materials. Start promoting. Once you have access to your affiliate dashboard, you can start promoting AliExpress products using their unique affiliate links. You can promote products through your website, social media channels, email newsletters, etc. Withdrawal process. Once you've accumulated enough earnings to meet the minimum threshold, you can initiate a withdrawal request from your affiliate dashboard. Follow the instructions provided by AliExpress to complete the withdrawal process. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.